In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the tadpole in Subnautica 2. To do this, you're going to need the standard air tank and you're also going to need the scanner. So I currently have the scanner in my hand right over here. Anyways, once you have those items, we are good to go. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start off by exiting out of the pod like you normally would. Then what you want to do is you want to go to the south at 190 degrees just like this. And guys, you really want to make sure that you do this during the daytime as well. You could do this at night, but it's going to be significantly harder and more dangerous. Also, I do want to apologize if my device is lagging like crazy. My PC is honestly getting really old. But anyways, you just want to keep on making your way towards this direction. And then you'll notice that we'll get this shipwreck right over here. And you just want to go down here. And then down there, where like my crosshair is, that is actually one of the fragments that we will need for our tadpole. So let's just keep on going down right here. All right. And then here it is. All you need to do is you need to go ahead and scan it. So let's just go ahead and scan it. Boom. There you go. We now have one fragment. And now let's get the second fragment. So the second fragment is going to be right next to this one. And you're going to go ahead and go through this part right over here. So we kind of have like a mountain right over here, and you just want to go to like the side right over here and just keep on going. You may need to go up to the surface in order to catch your breath a few times, but you just want to keep on advancing right over here. And it is pretty deep. I mean, look at that, guys. Like, it is incredibly deep. So you just want to be careful with that. But eventually, you want to keep on going here until you reach like this section over here. It's going to be like more shipwreck and stuff like that. And you'll notice that we're also going to get more creatures. But you want to keep on making your way here. And again, I'm really trying to avoid cutting up this video too much, just so you're able to see as much of the process as possible. But you'll notice we have like an opening over here, and you just want to go ahead and go inside this opening. Then you want to look for this item. It's going to be like up here, and you want to scan it one more time. And that is going to count as the second fragment. And here's how like the room is going to look like. It definitely does look pretty cool. But once you're done with that, let's get the final fragment. And to do that, I want to go here. And you want to keep on making your way towards this direction. So what's great is that everything's kind of clustered up in one area. So I'm not complaining about that. And you'll notice that in the distance, we will have this gigantic clam. And that is how you know you are in the right place. So you want to keep on going over here and just keep on making your way. And you'll notice that we'll kind of get like this blue thing right over here. So here's how it does look like. And once you see that blue thing, then you are good to go. You're very close to the third fragment. So the third fragment is going to be down here, and all you need to do is you need to go ahead and just go down here, and then there it is. Okay, you want to be very quick with this one because you're going to be incredibly deep underwater. Check this out. We're 128 deep. That is not good. So you really want to be quick with it, guys. You don't want to take up too much time. But now we have all three fragments, and you're able to create the tadpole. But now just make your way back over to the home base and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.